and welcome back to another Christmassy video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lollipop tree. So, let's go! So I'm showing this to you guys because I'm actually making this for my dad for Christmas as he loves lollipops or any sucky sweets. So you will be needing a foam floral sphere, some lollipops, a floral foam block, a carving knife, some wrapping paper, some scissors, sellotape and something sufficient to hold the ball up into the air. So the first thing we're going to do is open our lollipops to see how much we've got to work with. So I'm going to use my scissors for this. And I am then, there we go, just going to get rid of the rubbish. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my lollipops to my sphere. The issue you've got is that you can only put them in so far without crossing them with each other. So I'll put 3 in to give you an idea. So one at the top, probably about right. Then a green one, that there, because I think that won't cross that way. Yeah, there we go. And then a pink one. Probably about there. There we go. So that's 3. So you want to do this until the entire ball is covered except for the very bottom, because obviously that's where your sticks are going to go. So I will see you after I finish doing that. So that's all of the lollipops in. What I really like is you can just pull one out as and when you want one, which I think is fantastic. So I'm just going to put that one back when I find the hole. Here. So now it is time to make the block of it. So what I'm going to need is my carving knife and my foam floral block, and I'm going to need to cut a base big enough to be able to hold this lolly tree, which I forgot the name of the blimmin' title, can you imagine? So I'm just going to cut this when I find the line. There we go. So now that I've finished using this, I'm just going to put that far away from myself because I know I'm likely to cut myself on it. And then grabbing my wrapping paper, I'm going to wrap this little bad boy up. So now we've got to stick our sticks into the bottom of our lolly tree. We basically need to use enough that will be able to support this. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including how to make this tree and also where you can get everything you need to be able to make it. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!